Hey Daniel, I was just wondering, what's your absolute favorite book?
Oh, that's a tough one. I'd have to say To Kill a Mockingbird. It's such a powerful story.
That's a classic. I love that one too. What makes it your favorite?
The characters are so real, and the themes of justice and empathy really stick with you. It's truly timeless.
I completely agree. The writing is beautiful. For me, Pride and Prejudice is a top favorite.
Ah, a classic romance. Jane Austen is brilliant. What do you like about it so much?
I adore the witty dialogue and Elizabeth Bennet's strong personality. It's just so charming and clever.
Definitely, I can see why. I haven't read it in a while. Maybe I should pick it up again.
You really should. It's a delightful read. Do you read a lot of fiction usually?
Mostly, yes. I enjoy a good mystery or historical fiction. How about you?
I'm similar, but I also enjoy fantasy novels. It's nice to escape sometimes.
That makes sense. Well, it was interesting hearing about your choice.
Yours too. Maybe we can swap recommendations sometime.
Sounds great. I'd like that.